Refraction of light at curved surface. Experiment. Conduct an experiment to know the characteristics of the image due to convex lens at various distance, and also find focal length. Materials required: a candle, screen, convex lens, V-stand, measuring tape or meter scale. Observing the types of images and measuring the object distance and image distance of the convex lens. A V-stand and place a convex lens on the stand. Adjust the screen on the other side of a lens until clear image form on it. Measure the distance of the image from the stand and also measure the distance between the candle and stand of lens. Place the candle at the distance of 60 centimeters, 40 centimeters, 50 centimeters, 30 centimeters from the lens, such as the flame of the candle lie in the principal axis of the lens. Try to get an image of candle flame on the other side on the screen till you get a clear image. Measure the distance of image from lens and record the values of U and V the table. Repeat this for various distance of images. In all cases, note them in the table. A screen because it forms a real image. Generally, which will form on a screen, real image cannot be seen with an eye. The real image we can get on screen. We get on screen is called the real image. This is the real image. The object is at 30 centimeters. See the image distance. The image is, we can get the image. Measure the image distance. The enlarged image, real image, inverted image. It is placed at 20 centimeters. The image. Adjust the screen till you get clear image. Here, this is the enlarged image, inverted image. Image is at infinity. Of the image is highly enlarged, real, inverted. So the image distance is 10 centimeters. The image cannot catch on screen. So this image is called the virtual image. This is enlarged virtual image and erect. Conclude that the object distance is decreased. When the object distance is decreased, the image distance is increased. So the image is enlarged. So from this we conclude that a convex lens from both real and virtual images, when object is placed at various positions,